Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you the private ChatGPT or anonymous ChatGPT is resemble the Incognito mode of the Chrome browser and it is developed by the OpenAI. It is the private ChatGPT and you can follow the link in my description and also type Anonchatgpt in your browser and you see this. It is a private ChatGPT. It can record your network activity and you doesn't need to create an account, and you can check and you can ask questions to ChatGPT directly. Okay, first, who are you? Okay, and next, what can you do for me? Okay, as I am a language model, I can assist you with various tasks such as answering questions, providing information, writing or editing text, generating ideas, translating languages, and much more. Is there any specific task you need help with? Okay, it is also completely the same as the ChatGPT, and you can use in any time, without creation or an account, and you can use directly and ChatGPT. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for further tutorial video.